Konnichiwa minasan. Welcome to Trilingo Japanese Sensei, your friendly guide to learn Japanese from the beginning. Let's take a quick look at the origin of Japanese language and its unique writing system. The Japanese language, or Nihongo, has a long, fascinating history. It's believed to have and developed more than 1,000 years ago, influenced by ancient Chinese and later shaped by Japan's own culture and society. While Japanese grammar and pronunciation are quite different from Chinese, the two languages shares a strong connection through writing, that is, its own scripts. So let's take the three basic types of Japanese characters. First, Hiragana, a purely Japanese syllabary. Each character represents a sound, not a meaning. Hiragana is mainly used for native Japanese words, names, places, culture, tradition, etc. Not only limited to that, in grammar, we have particle-based sentences and only Hiragana characters are used over there. The next, Katakana, it's another syllabary. It is also represents a sound, not a meaning. Mostly, Katakana characters are used to represent foreign names, places, culture, tradition, etc. The third most important part of Japanese is kanji. These are characters borrowed from Chinese. Each kanji represents both a meaning and a pronunciation. In here, kanji have one or more pronunciation according to the place in which it is getting used. That's all about quick introduction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to learn more about Japanese language and its culture. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you. Bye bye.